Welcome back, guys. So as mentioned in the previous video, Widebody kit is going on the car. Just got it today. It's the Angry Acorns kit. So we're gonna start taping it up onto the car, just mocking it up, and then we're gonna have to go ahead and start peeling off the green. I'm gonna miss it.
Here's a quick look at the kit. It has 8 pieces in total, 2 pieces on each corner of the car. Here's a quick overview of everything required and recommended in order to get the project done. Now would be a smart time to pause the video and take a picture. And if you have any questions about any of the products we used, feel free to leave a comment below.
Oh, this is sad.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me and we can run from here.
Well, there goes the green. I do like the white though.
Here, Adam is putting painter's tape on the part of the car where we took off the wrap. And this is going to be so we can mark up where the kit falls and where we have to make the cuts on the body.
Disappear and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me.
So we have the kit taped up. I'm happy with how this piece is sitting. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some self-tap screws just to hold it exactly where I want it. And it's fine because these holes are gonna be filled with Bondo anyways, since the kit's being molded. So I'm not too worried about using the self-taps. So I'm gonna throw a couple in there just to permanently hold it exactly where I want it. So I pre-drilled, even though it's a self-tapping screw, I did a small pre-drill just so that it would be a pilot hole, so that the self-tapper is exactly where I want it. You don't have to do it, it's just more accurate that way. Okay, so the kit on this side is all screwed in. I'm happy with all the main points of contact around the perimeter of the kit. But as you can see, it's overlapping here, which is okay. I'll just have to trim back this piece and make my door gap. But I'm fine with that because everywhere else looks to be lined up pretty well. So I'm happy with how this side turned out so far.
Hold on to me.